Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming model and power so pairing goes smoothly. This matters because some cams require constant USB power while others use batteries. Once done, plug in or charge the camera and place it near the router to avoid dropouts during setup. Next, open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. This centralizes devices. Make sure Bluetooth is on and grant location permissions when prompted so the app can discover the camera quickly. You'll now pair the camera through the Google Home app by selecting Add Device and following the new device flow. This is how the app allocates the camera to your home. Once you scan the QR code on the camera or type the setup code, listen for the audible chime and wait for the solid status light. That indicates a secure link. After pairing, name the camera and assign it to a room so routines and automations can target it, and set initial activity zones to reduce false alerts. Finish by tuning video quality, notification cadence, and recording options to balance clarity and bandwidth. These settings matter because higher resolution uses more data and battery. Then mount the camera with the included hardware, confirm live view and motion detection behave as expected, and physically adjust angle or tilt to cover priority areas. If anything goes wrong, try a quick reboot of the camera, restart your router, and rerun setup while standing within 5 feet of the device. This usually clears handshake and Wi-Fi issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.